Okay, we got a 1954 Ford F-100 pickup. Let's see, 351 Windsor crate engine, Edelbrock 4-barrel aluminum radiator, front end's the Mustang 2, so it's lowered. Ford 9-inch, 373 gears, drum brakes. It would do transmission, locker, shifter, and we'll take a look at it around here. Davis Fancy Antiques. Cobwebs and dust and chip paint and rust. So, Warren, if you value your life as much as I value this truck, don't mess with it. Oh yeah, back in the day, you notice the can here? Basically when I was doing cars, all the cans were metal. You had to have that spout, press it in there, and that's how the oil came in the cans. I used to say, what the hell is this plastic garbage that came out with it? It's GQ, you know. That's how we always put the oil in. You had a can, you had to press that spout in there and cut a hole in it. I still got that thing. So yeah, he's got a work light up in here too. That's smart. Damn. I don't know if that's in there all the time when it's running or what, maybe. That's pretty wild. Huh, yeah, it's probably up there when it's running too, man. Jeez. Huh. I should get one of those work lights. I got these damn work lights from Walmart made in China. I keep smacking them and they keep turning back on. I should get one that really works. Hot shot. Got your fire extinguisher. This is a nice interior, black with that copper, and you notice it looks like it has like a leather patterned insert in the seats. Automatic with the nice gauge package and stuff. Now back here you have a real toolbox. Spare tire. Wood toolbox, wood. And it's you know, it's kind of paint you ain't got to worry about too much, because it's made to look like it's real old and half rusted or something, but it's not. It ain't gonna rust. It's probably an epoxy, it's flat. So, you got the Ford on there. Yeah. You got your thing here for seeing if the lights turn red or green. That's what that's for. It's like a, so you don't have to look up. See the traffic light overhead with that. Nice gauge package. She's got air conditioning in here. A couple horns up there, chromed in front. Here's your, looks like your old style emergency brake. They used to call it emergency brake back then. They didn't call it parking brake. So, and you got your same material on your armrest as in the inserts. It's a nice truck, man. Like you see, he's got that thing there for the traffic lights. He's got that awning up there. Shade, you know. So you won't be able to see the traffic light when you're looking up. You got that thing there.